Hello and welcome to the Regression Workshop. This is JoannA Summerscales and I will be leading the workshop. There will be up to 60 people accommodated at this point and maybe more or fewer as time progresses. We'll start with an introduction and then we'll have tea and coffee and then we will get started. So this is about you exploring you, trying to understand what blockages there may be, whether ancestral or on this dimension, or whether you've picked up any hitchhikers that need evacuating from yourself, and any other issues that may be hindering your progress or your peace of mind, anything that causes an imbalance. So if you want to take a deep dive and enjoy also being with those of like mind, where you can relax and not feel self-conscious about what has been an issue for you, then come join me. We'll be doing several of these new workshops in 2024, and I look forward to seeing you there. Today we'll start about 10:30 and finish at 4:30, so plenty of time for you to enjoy the session, and you can leave any information or feedback on the contact form here, or you can call the number, which is 0795 1752 813, or send an email. I look forward to seeing you there. And this is quantum work, by the way. We're dealing with ancestral stuff, dealing with deep past life miasms. So hopefully this will be a year for all of us to become more clear about who we are and our role in our own life and what we can do to become more joyful, happier, less hindered, less fear, more joy. This is JoannA Summerscales, over and out. I'll see you there.